In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the Puma Europe website with ease. Whether you're looking to shop for the latest sneakers or browse their trendy apparel, this guide will ensure you have a smooth experience. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Puma Sweden website. This is where you can find all your favorite Puma products available in Sweden. Simply type in eupuma.com/sc/n.home into the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the sleek, modern homepage that showcases all the latest and greatest from Puma. It's organized into easy-to-navigate sections with a prominent menu bar at the top for quick access to different categories like shoes, apparel, and accessories. Take a moment to get a feel for the layout and explore the different sections if you wish. This is also a good time to make sure your internet connection is stable for a seamless shopping experience. Next, we'll move on to the shopping cart. On the Puma Sweden homepage, look for a small shopping cart icon. It's typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click on this icon to access your cart. Even if you haven't added any items yet, it's useful to familiarize yourself with this area, as it will soon be your go-to spot to review items you wish to purchase. Here, you can see items you've selected, check their prices, and make quantity adjustments if needed. It's an efficient way to keep track of what you've decided to buy before you proceed to checkout. If there are more items you wish to browse or purchase, simply use the main menu or search bar to navigate back to the product pages. Remember, a key tip for any shopping spree is to keep an eye on any promotions or discounts that may pop up. Puma often features special deals on their homepage, so be sure to check if there's an ongoing offer you can take advantage of. And if you decide to make a purchase, ensure you have your payment details and shipping information handy. This makes the checkout process much faster and smoother. By following these straightforward instructions, you'll be well on your way to navigating the Puma Europe website like a pro. Whether you're just browsing or looking to upgrade your wardrobe with the latest Puma collections, you'll find the website easy to use. Happy shopping and enjoy exploring everything Puma Sweden.